Navigating the digital world, understanding popular online map services. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dive into an exciting part of our conversational English series, understanding GPS and online maps. Specifically, we will explore the topic of popular online map services. These platforms are incredibly helpful when we want to find our way around a new city, or even when we're looking for that new coffee shop in our neighborhood. So, let's get started. Online map services are digital platforms, either websites or mobile apps, that provide geographical information in the form of interactive maps. With these tools, you can search for specific locations, view different areas in various modes like satellite or terrain, and get directions to any destination. These services often come with features such as real-time traffic updates, estimated time of arrival, and even the ability to mark favorite places. There are many online map services available today, but we will focus on the most popular ones: Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Microsoft's Bing Maps. Google Maps is perhaps the most widely used service. It offers detailed maps, turn-by-turn navigation, and a street view feature which provides a 360-degree view of many streets around the world. Apple Maps, as the name suggests, is Apple's own map service. While it is similar to Google Maps in many ways, it is only available on Apple devices. Microsoft's Bing Maps is another option that offers road, aerial, and street-side imagery, along with many of the features that Google and Apple Maps provide. While each service has its own nuances, most operate in similar ways. Here's a basic guide on how to use these platforms. 1. Search for a location. Simply type the name of the place or the address you're looking for in the search bar. The map will then focus on that location. 2. Get directions. To get directions, input your starting point and your destination. The service will provide the best route, along with alternatives. 3. Switch views. Most services allow you to switch between different views. For example, the satellite view can show you an area as it would appear from space. Remember, the more you use these services, the more familiar they will become. That's all for today, folks. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of popular online map services. Remember, these tools are more than just maps. They can be your personal travel guides, helping you navigate and discover the world around you. So, why not try using them next time you plan a trip or want to explore a new place? Happy mapping, everyone!